What's going on? We are back. Let me know if you guys can hear me. I see somebody in the chat. Can you hear me fine? Can you hear me? Type something in the chat. Okay. Okay, cool. So in this video, I want to take a look at the trades that we analyzed during the London session and show you the results of these trades. So to start, we'll start with NASDAQ. Our TP3 was just hit. We looked at this area for a potential area to add a new position on our sell. With our previous sell, we entered here at the highs. I took this trade because I noticed that structure was broken, and on that retest of structure, I placed this sell and sent it out to our group. All TPs were hit on this setup. Another setup that we took a look at this morning was AUD USD. Everything worked out perfectly on this setup. We are almost at our TP. Another trade setup we looked at was USD CAD. Now with this setup, I noticed on the 4-hour, we had divergence, which is price moving up while your RSI is moving down. So after noticing this, I waited a little bit before entering this setup. Initially, I wanted to enter here, but after seeing that divergence, I figured that it was a great chance that this support level could be retested before making the move to the upside, and it was. So that was a great way to practice patience, and now it looks like we're about to break the highs and have some fun with this trade as well. Another trade setup that we sent out was Euro USD on this trade setup. I lost this one and we re-entered. This wick stopped us out to retest the previous highs. So we just got back in on this trade and we are now in profit. Pound USD also played out perfectly. We also looked at gold. We're looking at gold after it retests this zone here. That's what we were waiting on last night. Let's see, there may be a chance that gold retests this entire structural level here. So we should probably wait for here to give ourselves a better entry on gold. Move our stop loss up here. Now let's see how this plays out. In that London session, not only did I do the charting for all of these setups, but I also listed the TPs for all of these setups. But that video during the London session recorded the fan on my computer, and it's extremely loud and annoying, so I will be taking it down. So feel free to go back to the charting session from London to get a better understanding of what made me take these trades and how did I define my stop loss and my target areas, to pretty much how did I execute. These are just the results. We will start streaming live on more of a consistent basis, starting on Sunday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. As of right now, Sunday we're going to start charting at 8 o'clock, and we'll just move from there to see how everything works out. I'll give any updates if we add any extra days, and we will just continue to grow. Thank you guys for your time, and you have an amazing day. Happy trading. You one click away from living. Why fight to stay the same?